All right, everybody. Today's the day. Are we going to start the truck? Hard to say. We're on our way to get some batteries, get some diesel, see what happens. And Mike's going to see the truck for the first time. Yay! Whoa! All right, so we were going to go get the batteries and then fuel up the truck and try to start it. However, that's not the case. Napa didn't have the batteries in time, so we're going to go and remove the steering support column that's cracked and attempt to pull out the drag link, but you're going to see what happens. We didn't bring the right equipment, so that'll be for another time. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's super corrosive, right? Oopsies.
I see you moving. Let's fucking go, baby. Oh, there we go.
One cutting.
That was way heavier than I expected.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I thought it was heavy too. It's fine.
Well, it made it to the end. All right.
Nice, dude. Okay. Now let me put this in.
Oh, yeah. Let's, holy shit. Dude, that thing fucking fell.
Nobody got hurt.
Okay.
Right on 3. 1, 2, 3. Watch your fingers.
We're gonna roll it. One more. Or we should lay it on that flat.
Oh shit. Holy Christ, this thing is fucking heavy.
Dad's gonna love it. Do you wanna just...
That's...
Yep.
That's the correct way. Hey! Was it 24-inch breaker bar for the win?
Oh yeah. Yeah, let me get you doing this. Oh, this is sick view right here.
Where's the impact? What are we doing?
Yeah, what are we doing?
Now that I got it loosey-goosey.
Yeah, don't go yet. Let me just make sure. You ready?
Oh, dude, this breaker bar was the move, my dude.
I've seen a couple fucking automotive videos.
Leverage, baby. Will this guy come out all the way? Oh, this one's nice.
Let's go, baby.
side?
Yep. Oh,
I said Mike, come on.
yeah. Yeah, I know.
All right, send it.
For the mother. There we go. It's done.
What a Christ. What are you thinking?
Oh, well, you know, we gotta push the bolt. There you go. Oof.
What are your thoughts so far?
We came in hot. We didn't have any of the tools we needed, but we had an aptitude to want to do something. 2 Home Depot trips later, a jack in the box, and now we have this steering rack off of this thing. Huge recommendation, get yourself a breaker bar and get some penetrating fluid, because that was our friend today. But that's it. Still got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, so we still need to get a wrench to get the castle nut off over here. We were able to get the cotter pin off. But till next time, we'll see. Thank you.